Good afternoon, Kenyans. As we are here today, we want to offer press on Junet Mohamed, the member of parliament from Suna East, who has been undermining, underrating, and demeaning the dignity of our member of parliament, Honorable Vincent Kemosi Mogaka. And today we want to offer a very strong warning to the member as follows. As the West Mugirango Electorates, our attention has been drawn by the statements uttered by Suna East Member of Parliament, Honorable Junet Mohamed, during Assembly proceedings on the 4th of June 2020 to demean, downgrade, and undermine the professionalism of our able elected West Mugirango Member of Parliament. Honorable Kemosi is a lawyer by profession who has been practicing law in both Nairobi and Mombasa, and not in Kisii, Nyamira, and some magistrate court in Kebirigo, as stated. As the Gusii nation, particularly West Mugirango, we are not happy with his remarks. This wasn't the first time he has been demeaning and undermining our Gusii leaders. Some months ago, during the BBI meeting in Mombasa, he introduced one of our own as kijana kutoka Nyamira. We therefore demand that Junet must, and I repeat, must respect Honorable Kemosi, since he is an elected member in the House just like him. Also, Junet must apologize to West Mugirango Electorates and Gusii community as a whole. Failure to do so, stepping in Gusii land, will be in his dreams. Otherwise, it will be noisy and messy when he'll be coming over to campaign for his boss, the Muganga guy. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Okay, thank you. I want to add on Honorable Junet Mohamed. We are not happy as youths of West Mugirango and as Gusii as a whole. One, Junet should know that in the National Assembly, he is not just a comedian, but to respect members of parliament, especially members from Gusii nation. We as Gusii, we have never had any hatred. We and the Luo community. If Junet wants to intimidate our leaders in parliament, now we deal with him in a different manner. Thank you so much.
I do mine in Kiswahili ndio watu wote watuelewe kabisa, hata huko kwa kijiji. Sisi ni vijana wa West Mugirango. Tunataka kukasifu ile maneno Junet alisema katika bunge ambalo linaheshimiwa katika Kenya na nchi mzima. So tunasema sisi kama vijana aheshimu bunge wetu, kwa sababu bunge wetu ametusaidia sisi kama vijana. Saa hizi tunasema tumekashirizwa na vitendo yake ya kutuzi mbunge wetu. Namba nyingine kule Kebirigo, kwa wale watu wenye wanajua Kebirigo ndio tulianzia mambo ya biashara. Our coffee farmers huko Kebirigo ndio walikuwa wanauza mambo ya coffee na kulipo huko. So kusema ati mbunge wetu anafanya mambo ya wakili huko Kebirigo, hiyo ni kumtuzi. Our MP is known in Kenya, ni mmoja wa mawakili ambao wanaheshimiwa sana. So sisi tunakemea hiyo mambo na tunasema if he's not going to apologize, West Mugirango will be a no-go zone for him. Thank you so much.
Shukran sana.